it kind of seems to me that rest gets a bad rap. I feel like when I'm sitting and resting, my kids are like, Mom, are you sick? Is everything okay? Right?
So you think about rest in the scriptures, and most of the time our mind goes to Matthew 11, where Jesus says, "Come unto me, all who are weary and heavy laden, and I will give you rest." And I came across a quote from the late theologian Oswald Chambers, and he quoted Jesus and said, "And I will give you rest. Rest is the perfection of motion." That stopped me. And I saw it in a hummingbird, because we often, like as homeschool parents, we can relate to the hummingbird.
Yes.
Always on the go. And you watch them and they are this blur of motion. We picture a hummingbird and we picture activity and motion. Really, they're going about their God-given fruitful work. But what sustains them is a deep strategy of rest called torpor. And it's this regular, rhythmic, intentional rest that allows the hummingbird to go about all of its God-given work.